So today I'm about to show you how to use the navigation sidebar in Flow.io step by step. If you want to move around your projects faster and access your tools more efficiently, this will help you understand it quickly. So let's get started. First open Flow.io, then go to your workspace. Once you're inside, look at the left side of your screen for navigation sidebar. From here, you'll see different sections like projects or flows, folders, knowledge garden, and settings or tools. Click on any section to quickly navigate to that part of the platform. You can also expand or collapse sections, switch between projects instantly, and access important features in one place. If needed, you can hide or show the sidebar to get more workspace. And for better navigation, keep your folders organized, use the sidebar instead of going back manually, and collapse sections to reduce clutter. And that's it. That's how to use the navigation sidebar in Flow.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.